problems. So those are some of the different things that you risk. It's so unfortunate that it's important, very, very important parts of your body. You can become blind. It's very important parts of your body that actually high blood pressure can affect, and it's your responsibility to do something about it. The moment they get to know that you have high blood pressure, please take the appropriate treatment as prescribed by a health worker. I am not going to tell you the different medicines that you can use, because you may end up just taking even without measuring your blood pressure. But I want to say that when you go and they measure your blood pressure, they will give you appropriate treatment when it's necessary, and please take it as you have been told. It is very important for you to have regular blood pressure checkups if you have it, so that you keep it in check. You get to know, is the treatment working properly for me? Do I need to use stronger medications? Do I need to use less strong medications? Do I need to what do I need to do? So that you monitor your life in the hands of health workers. I'll repeat, in the hands of health workers. If you got any person and they tell you they are treating you for high blood pressure and they don't measure it, they don't put a machine on your arm to measure your blood pressure, but they give you treatment which may be in form of drugs, which may be in form of jerry cans of drinkable medicines or remedies, please run for your life. I repeat, if you go to anyone that tells you you have pressure or high blood pressure, but they have not measured it, and they give you any form of treatment that may be in form of drugs or liquids in jerry cans or bottles, please run for your life. If you have high blood pressure and you can afford to buy a digital blood pressure machine, please do, so that you can keep monitoring your blood pressure even at home. And if you have high blood pressure, it's very important to control your diet, like I talked about. Physical activity, especially if you don't have heart failure yet, you need to be active. You need to reduce that weight. One of the ways we reduce weight is by eating well and still exercising. If you're a person that smokes tobacco, if you're a person that drinks alcohol, it is in the best interest of your life and safety to reduce or even quit those practices, because they put you at risk of developing high blood pressure and many other medical illnesses. So